Good morning, students. Welcome you all for next generation learning. Today we are going to see the subject science and class 4, chapter number 11, the solar system. Topics: the first topic, planets of the solar system. The second one, celestial object. Third one, satellites. Fourth one, structure of the earth. Fifth one, movements of the earth. Sixth one, festivals and heavenly bodies. The first topic is the introduction. There are many bright and shiny objects in the sky known as celestial objects. Dear students, when we are looking the sky, we know that the sun, the moon and the stars are present in the sky. So these things are called celestial objects. There are many bright and shiny objects in the sky known as celestial objects. The example for celestial objects are sun, planets, moon, and constellations. The next one, solar system. In a solar system, sun is located at the center of the solar system. It is a huge ball of hot gas that gives off heat and light. It is a primary source of energy on Earth. Look at the diagram. This is a sun. In a solar system, where it is located? It is located at the center of the solar system. It is a huge ball. The huge ball consists of hot gases. It gives off light and also heat. We know that we are getting heat and light from the sun. It is a primary source of energy on the earth. The next planet in the solar system is Mercury, closest planet to the sun. So, which one is closest to the sun? The Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Very cold at night time, but very hot during the day. During the daytime, it is very hot. During night time, it is very cold. The smallest planet in the solar system takes 88 days to revolve around the sun. So, which one is the smallest planet in the solar system? Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. It is closest to the sun and it is very hot during the daytime and very cold during the night time. It takes 88 days to revolve around the sun. The next planet is Venus, second planet from the sun, also called Earth twin because of the similarity in size. The size of the Venus and Earth are same, so it is called as Earth twin. Commonly known as morning star and evening star because it is sometimes visible from the earth during sunrise and sunset. The nickname of the Venus is morning star and evening star. So when we look at the sky in the morning and evening, we can see the Venus. The hottest planet in the solar system. It is a very hot. It is a so hot planet in the solar system. It takes 225 days to revolve around the sun. So, which one is the second planet from the sun? Venus. And it is also called Earth twin because the size of the Venus and Earth is the same in size. So, it is called twin of the Earth. The nickname of the Venus is morning star and evening star. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. It takes 225 days to revolve around the sun. The next planet of the solar system is Earth, the third planet from the sun, the only planet that supports life. We know that we are living on the earth. It gives the life to human beings. Also called blue planet because 70% of the earth surface is covered with water. You know that the earth is covered, 75% of earth is covered with water. So it is called blue planet. It has one moon. It takes 365 days to revolve around the sun. So the third planet from the sun is called Earth. The only planet that supports the life is Earth. It is also called blue planet because the 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. It has one moon. It takes 365 days to revolve around the sun. The next planet in the solar system is Mars. So fourth planet from the sun is called Mars, also called red planet, as the soil and rocks are in red in color. It has two moons. It takes 687 days to revolve around the sun. So Mars is a fourth planet from the sun. It is a red planet because the soil and rocks present in the Mars are red in color. So it is looking like red. It has two moons. It takes 687 days to revolve around the sun. The next planet in the solar system is Jupiter, the fifth planet from the sun. It is made up of gas. You know that sun also made up of gas. The Jupiter also made up of gas. The largest planet in our solar system, and it is also called gas giant. It has 63 moons. It takes 12 years to revolve around the sun. So fifth planet of the sun is Jupiter. It is made up of gas. Largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. It is also called as gas giant. It has 63 moons. It takes 12 years to complete one revolution. The next planet of the solar system is Saturn. Sixth planet from the sun is called Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system. It has 60 moons, also has 7 rings made up of shiny rocks that surround it. It takes 30 years to revolve around the sun. Look at the image. It has one ring around the planet. It is made up of shiny rock and it has 60 moons. It is the second largest planet in the solar system and also sixth planet from the sun. It takes 30 years to revolve around the sun. The next planet in the solar system is Uranus. Seventh planet from the sun is Uranus, the third largest planet in our solar system. It has 27 moons. The first planet that was discovered using a telescope. It takes 84 years to revolve around the sun. So, seventh planet from the sun is called Uranus. It is a third largest planet in our solar system. It has 27 moons. It is a first planet. It is discovered using a telescope. It takes 84 years to revolve around the sun. It is blue in color. The eighth planet of the solar system is Neptune, and it is the last planet in our solar system. It has 13 moons. It takes 165 years to revolve around the sun. Dear students, I hope you understood how many planets are in the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system: Mercury, Mars, Earth, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So the nickname of Mercury is, it is the smallest planet. There is no nickname. If you take Venus, it is also called Earth twin. If you take Earth, it is a blue planet. If you take Mars, it is a red planet. If you take Jupiter, it is a gas giant. Saturn, it is a second largest planet, and also it has ring, 7 rings. The nickname of Uranus is third largest planet, and it is only discovered using a telescope. The last planet is Neptune. The next we are going to see celestial bodies. In a celestial bodies, first we are going to see what is meant by star. You know that when you are looking in the sky, the stars are in the number of stars are present in the sky. So they are huge ball of hot gases. How the sun is made up of gases, the same as the stars also made up of hot gases. Star appears small because they are located far away from the earth. Why the stars are looking in a very small size? Because it is far away from our earth. There are the millions of kilometer distance between earth to star. A star emits heat and light of its own. The star also gives heat and also light, as like sun. Star keep emitting light and heat for millions of years. Star die when they have burnt up all the gases present in them. So the star also will die, one day will die. When it will die? When the gases present in the stars are burnt up, it is going to die. It is also give heat and light. For millions of years, it gives heat and light to us. The next celestial body is constellation. Some stars that are close to each other seem to appear in pattern. When you are looking in the sky, some stars are grouped and it gives some shape. So such pattern of stars that can be grouped together and are visible from the earth either to the naked eye or through a telescope are called constellations. There are many constellations in our galaxy. Look at the pictures. The first one is Ursa Major. The second one is Orion. It is looking like a hunter. The third one is Scorpio. So these are the constellations present in our Milky Way galaxy. What is maybe constellations? The constellation is nothing but pattern of stars that can be grouped together. So we can see the constellation through naked eye or telescope. There are many constellations are present in the sky. The example Ursa Major, the second Orion. The Orion is looking like a hunter, and the third one is a Scorpio. These are the many constellations are present in our Milky Way galaxy. The next celestial bodies are satellites. We know that a satellite is a celestial body that undergoes around a planet in an elliptical orbit. Satellites can be both natural and artificial. The moon is a Earth-only natural satellite. Artificial satellites are made by human beings. They are sent into space to go around Earth or other planets to explore more about them. You know that the satellite is also celestial object. Why? Because it is also present in the space. What other things are present in the space? It is called celestial object. So the satellite is also present in the space. So it is called celestial object. There are the two type of satellites. One is a natural and another one is a artificial. If you take Earth, the natural satellite of Earth is Moon. So what are the artificial satellites? The artificial satellites are made by human beings and they are sent into space to go around Earth and other planets to explore more about them. Here look at these two images. The first image Earth and Moon. Here the moon is a natural satellite of Earth. The second picture is Earth and artificial satellite. These artificial satellites are revolved around the Earth, and also it revolve other planets to explore more about them. The next celestial bodies are present in the sky is moon. The moon does not emit heat and light of its own. You know that the sun emit light and heat its own. The star emit heat and light its own. But if you take the moon, it does not emit heat and light of its own. The moon appears to be bright and shining. The surface of the moon is not smooth as it has many holes that are known as craters. Moon lacks an atmosphere and the temperature on the moon reaches extremes. At night, the temperature can drop below minus 173 degrees Celsius. During the day, it can rise to 100 degrees Celsius. So, look at this image. This is a moon. It does not emit heat and light. The moon appears to be bright and shining. The surface of the moon is not smooth. When you are looking that image, you know that some holes are present on the moon. These holes are called craters. So how was the atmosphere in the moon? The atmosphere and temperature on the moon is reaches extremes. How? During the night time, the temperature can drop below minus 173 degrees Celsius. During the daytime, it can rise to 100 degrees Celsius.